Hello, my name's Elizabeth Smith and I'm the trichologist here at the Hair Loss Control Centre in London, and today I'd like to show you how to cut a fringe. To do a reasonable job you need a hair cutting comb, which is just a straight even comb, a pair of scissors that need to be reasonably sharp. A decent pair of hairdressing scissors is going to set you back not a great deal of money, 30 quid if not less. And they're well worth it because the sharper the scissor, the better the job. And some sectioning clips. Sectioning clips are always key to get the hair that you're not cutting out of the way, so the hair that you are cutting you're in control of and you're not keep bringing in other bits to it. So let's get started. To cut a fringe, first start by putting in your parting. If it's a middle parting, in the middle, on the side. If you wear it either way, go for a middle parting because then it will sit right either way. Then you need to decide how much hair you want to go into it. You do that by creating a triangle of hair from the middle parting outside towards the temple. Now depending on how far back you go will depend how much hair you get into your fringe. Always clip the hair that you're not cutting away. Then brush all the hair you've sectioned forward, making sure that it's equal on both sides. Once you have your equal triangle at the top, you can now decide how the length. Remember that within a fringe, if its hair's wet, it will spring up. Or if you're cutting it straight and you normally like to put a bit of a bounce in it, again, it's going to spring up. So cut it to the length that you want it to be, allowing for the springage. A good tip here is to pull the hair together into a V, so that when you actually cut your straight line, you're actually creating an oval shape into the fringe. You can do it just if it's a very small oval that you're creating. Do it straight like that, keeping the nose as your centre, and then just cut straight across. Or if you want slightly more of an angle, twist the hair to the nose and collect it in your cutting hand, so you've created a twist on the hair from this side to here and that side to there. So when you cut, you're going to create a much deeper oval shape. When you let go, you've got this nice oval shape. Now that we've cut the fringe, you might want to layer it slightly to make it softer. You do this by once again sectioning the hair you're not cutting, and by taking a small section on the top and just taking a small amount. This now becomes your guide. And take another section up to your guide point, and what should happen is the lower part of the hair is lower than the middle bit. So what you're doing is taking out the weight, and you just join point A to point B. Just work through each section and see any bits that go over that weight line. And that actually feathers through the front, making it a much lighter fringe.